Hey guys, we're doing the 5 bucks random for the teams, 7:55, 56 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. We're going 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Teams. We're going 11 times. Just heaps of rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Random is complete. 7:57, 22 p.m. Melbourne time. The teams are Jason Aire, Bulls, Benji, Lakers, Thomas Oliver, Drews, Kerry, Rockets, Ian, Pelicans, Dudley, Wolves, Matt Hungis, Knicks, Brian Denham, Clippers, Mizzy, Wizards, Kerry Strutt, Nuggets, Daniel Jordan, Raptors, Luke Cook, Hawks, Kerry Strutt, Warriors, Jeff with the Bucks, Julian with the Heat, Phil with the Nets, Mitch with the Jazz, Zach O'Toole, Magic, Adam Climas, Blazers, Bailey Harris, Pacers, John Wells, Suns, Ian with the Mavericks, Mitchell with the Spurs, Zach with the Hornets, Daniel Jordan, Cavs, Dobell, Sixers, Kane with the Pistons, Michael Mizzy, Celtics, Zach, Thunder, and Luke with the Kings. Did I just 5 bucks break? Did I copy the right teams? Yeah. What the hell? Oh, I just realized why, because he's in the other break. I was thinking to myself, I swear Dave Ellis had a spot, but he's in the other break. You messed with me there, Dave. Mr. Ellis. I was thinking, man, he's gonna bring me a new one. Yeah, he shot the Grizz in the other one. Nice.